Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to share your screen on iPhone. So first you need to connect to the same Wi-Fi. With a basic understanding of iPhone screen sharing and having set up your iPhone accordingly, you are ready to share your iPhone screen. Thanks to AirPlay, screen sharing with other devices, whether for personal or professional reasons, is a breeze. To share your iPhone screen via AirPlay, first navigate to the settings. Go to General, select AirPlay and Handoff. Enable the automatically AirPlay option, and then access the control center. Tap the screen mirroring icon and choose the device with which you want to share your screen. Navigating to Control Center, modifying the items by tapping the plus or dash icons to integrate the screen sharing option for convenient access, and then select the target device. This screen sharing feature of your iPhone is compatible with numerous devices such as Apple TV, AirPlay compatible smart TVs, Macs, adapters, third-party devices, software like AirDroidcast. To select the target device, simply choose from the list of available devices under screen mirroring. You can even select multiple devices as target devices for iPhone screen sharing, expanding the possibilities of your screen sharing experience. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.